Hey friends, hey! So we are here with another snack crate video. And we are so far behind. But at least we here, right? We here to get it done. Yes. So I am Antoinette from Antoinette at Fun. And this is my beautiful granddaughter. Yes. That's Stephanie. Yeah, so it's been a while, Stephanie. It's been a while. I miss you. So we up here, friends, and we finna get this done. Stephanie is going to open up the snack crate and, show it to us, so we can know what we getting ready to eat on. I'm hoping I can pronounce some of these words. Yeah. So if you are new here to my channel, if this is your first time, don't forget, go over there and hit that subscribe button before you leave. Hit the subscribe button and give your girl a thumbs up. If you like these type of videos, give me a thumbs up. Yes. So I'm gonna move our friend over. Even though this fake Stephanie, it still looks scary to me because I don't like spiders and all them little critters. Yeah, I don't like it. Let's put it over here. Put it over here by you. Yeah, put it over there by you. Okay, so we're gonna let Stephanie open up this snack crate. I already I cut it.
Oh my goodness. Wait, okay, that says turkey.
Yeah, turkey. So it's from Turkey.
Okay.
I really love the way that it's packaged. I love these colors and stuff. And they also give you like recipes. What is that? And what is this? Scan for jams. Look, friends.
We tried those in elementary.
They wasn't? So, Stephanie, do you want it to be a surprise, or you gonna just turn it around and take it out and show them what you got? You gonna just show them?
Take this out.
Okay.
Oh, okay. It's called pizza cracker with pizza cracker.
Maybe we should move this. Let's move this over. And then that give us more room, but they can't really see the snack, but you're gonna show it to them anyway, so.
Pizza cracker.
Pizza cracker. Now that look delicious, friends. That looks so delicious. Let me see here. Oh, we better say our grace, Stephanie. Amen. Look at it. Are these little heart shapes?
No, I think,
friends,
I think they are hearts.
Oh, that is so cute. It's cute. Let me do something. I don't know if I like this. I'm not really a pizza person.
That doesn't even taste like pizza.
It has what are those? Jalapeno peppers, tomatoes, and onions. Now I do love tomatoes and I do love onions, but no. How you like them, Stephanie?
I mean, they're not bad, but they're plain. They're kind of plain. I got a little bit of flavor in the beginning, but the aftertaste is just plain.
They soft. They real soft, friends. Let me show them to y'all again. I like the shape of them. I just think the shape is just so cute. I don't think it's a heart, but it looks like a heart. Okay. What's our next thing, Stephanie?
Candy mini. Don't know what these are, but they kind of look like Skittles. This might be the Turkish Skittles. See what
And they say free mini, candy, mini. But it say size doesn't matter. But a big burst of fruity flavor.
What does that mean, size doesn't matter?
Oh, look like it say a look tropical and sour. Oh, yeah. These look just like Skittles, friends. Look at that.
These are Skittles, but the turkey out.
Look at that. They look just like Skittles. This little orange. They look identical to it. Friends. I don't know if you can see that. They every bit of Skittles.
Not even the lemon one. I don't like lemon. I don't like lemon, so I'm not gonna eat that lemon one.
You don't like lemons? I love lemons. Oh, what do we have next?
It's this. Oh, yeah. It's this, but
Is that the Eddie Puff?
yeah, Eddie Puff. I see it right here in the back. It looks like a cookie. I guess it's like a cookie with the
Trying to get this mic right. Yeah, Eddie Puff. You know what? It's a crunchy vanilla biscuit. And it's topped with creamy marshmallow. I mean, it's cute. It's cute, friends. It looks like it'll taste pretty good. Friends, how y'all doing? I don't even think I asked y'all. How y'all doing? I hope everybody doing pretty good out there today.
That's marshmallow.
Oh, I'm a little iffy about this, friends. Oh, that's coconut. Yeah, that's coconut. It's crumbly.
Oh my god.
I mean, the color is pretty. The little sprinkles they have on there, I don't think y'all can see them, but it's like pink and yellow and brown.
Oh.
You don't like it? Stephanie, I like this.
Because it has coconut in it.
I'm not a coconut person. But this, it don't taste bad.
I don't like it.
It don't taste bad at all. It don't. It don't taste bad at all.
Okay. What's this? Cat, tat. Cat, tat.
Cat, tat. Nothing in this crate screams, eat me. Now more than a light, airy puff pastry overflowing with a rich hazelnut filling.
Let me take it out. It's coming apart, like right.
It's kind of a little crumbly. It's a little crumbly, y'all. I'm show it to y'all. My light, if y'all can see. You see that?
Here you go.
When I tell y'all I never seen a mess, you know what? This kind of like that other thing we had. Remember we had something else like that, and it's just like so. What is it? Puffy, so. Flakery. Literally, friend. Look at that. But I like this. This is pretty good, friend. Very light. I tell you what. All I need is a cup of coffee.
I don't think I'll go with coffee yet. I think it's good on its own.
You know how you know when you get that food and something be good and you go to dancing and stuff? Shaking and just carrying on. It's good. It's real good. It's good.
I forgot what it is.
It's good. It's good. Yes, it is. Got that good. I like that stuff. Now this was delicious. This was so good to me.
Oh, this was real good. Oh, it's called a pop cat.
How about that? Pop, cake, banana. Oh, I know I'm gonna like this because I love any taste that has banana. Banana lifesavers, banana now laters, banana Laffy Taffy.
Wait, there's banana lifesavers.
Banana margaritas, banana daiquiri. Look, friends. And it's got that on the outside. Where the packet?
Right there. Oh, there's banana on the inside. That's what it is. I thought that was honey.
I think I done lost some pounds because this shirt just keeps crumbling up on me. Because friends, I've been going to that gym. I'm back at it. I'll take a break, but I'll get back in it. This is delicious. Now this don't make no sense how good this is. Oh my goodness, friends, when I tell y'all this good, this is good.
It tastes good, but it ain't worth that kind of reaction.
You know, we supposed to taste the snacks and put them down, but you know, we just eat ours. When we get something so good, we just go ahead and eat it. Cause, I mean, it don't make no sense to put it down. We got some good snacks today. Yes. Yes, we do.
I know last snack crate was awful. And then, yeah, it's like every time we get a good one, we get a bad one, and then a good one. I'm really hoping the next one ain't bad.
Friends, we literally behind. We so behind, right? Stephanie, let me see let me see them 2 boxes right there.
A little too behind, if you ask me.
Yeah, we are. We're a little too behind. This is where we at, and we got to catch up. And another one is on the way. So we behind for real. No joke, friend. But we here. We here. Yes, we is. And I'm excited to be up here because I miss being up here. I miss it so much. So what's next, Steffi?
Oh, actually, our last thing. It's called Bidula.
Bidula wafer. Extra thick. What's up with all these hazelnut flavors? That must be something popular over there in Turkey. So it's thick hazelnut cream and crunchy peanut butter. Okay, I know it's gonna be good because it got peanut butter in it. So, delicate and crispy wafers. We got more wafers. I'm excited. Ooh, that looks so good. Let's show them the packet.
I'm gonna show them this. Looks like it had like a chocolate spell over here.
You know, I love anything chocolate, friends.
So this is chocolate, peanut butter, and wafer.
Let's see here.
It smells like
I see some chocolate right there. Is that chocolate or is that peanut butter?
probably both.
They could have left the peanut butter out because it's like they put too much peanut butter in here.
Way too much. It was put into the side. Well, I don't think it's only peanut butter. I can taste the hazelnut too.
Yeah, I taste the hazelnut. Oh goodness. It's kind of overwhelming. Friend, this was a delicious snack crate. I love those designs. Wow, the design match my nails.
Wait, what's that in the front?
What?
Dude. I think that might actually be on the building.
Oh.
They're really famous for their Turkish delight. That's like
That peanut butter choking me. Bucky's friend. I bet they say Antoinette be doing everything on her snack crate videos. All she's supposed to be doing up there is talking about some snacks, eating some snacks, and she be up there with everything. Yes, she do. Okay, so now we're gonna try. What is this?
Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot. So I'm guessing this is like a combo between Mountain Dew and hot Cheetos.
Yeah. See, it been out. People been trying them. I never tried it before.
I never knew that existed.
I want to actually see if it's hot. Let's try it. Toast. Let's toast. Don't forget. Put the pinky up. Pinky goes up.
Smell that real quick.
Pinky goes up. Yes, it do. Yeah. It get right down to the back of that throat. Isn't it?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you take that home and y'all share it. Let AJ and them drink that. You know, Nana is you know, trying to, you know, get fine. But she can't be having all that stuff.
I've had gym since August, and I'm still gonna have it until January, and then.
But that's good, cause that's how you stay active. That's how you stay active. Yeah.
I'm gonna have it for next semester as well, but at least I'm doing art with it. That burns.
It's burning for real. Yeah, that is hot. It is hot to me. Burning all the back of my throat and stuff. Friends, it's been real. It's been real. I have enjoyed getting up here and hanging out with y'all. Yes. And my beautiful granddaughter, Stephanie. Yes. Yes. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. Well, I'm almost back. My husband say I'm getting lazy. It's not that I'm getting lazy, you know. I just needed a little time out, but I'm back. I'm back and I'm happy I'm back. Yes, I am. So we finna get off of here. We done with this snack crate. Stephanie, you got anything you want to say to our friends?
Let me think.
No. Well, we love our friends. We love all our friends. Yeah, we sure do. So don't forget, you know, to thumbs up the video for us. You know, give us a like. Go ahead on and give us a like. Go ahead on and give us a like. Even if you don't like us, just give us a like. Yeah, but so we love you guys. All jokes aside, we really and truly love our friends. Yes, we do. And we'll see y'all the next time we get up here with another snack crate box video. And it's bye for now. And you know what, Stephanie? We saying bye, but we didn't even do our we forgot all about doing our thumbnails.
Oh my goodness.
Y'all hold on just a little while longer. We're gonna do us a thumbnail.
We gotta remember, you gotta write it down.
I gotta write it down because you know I don't be paying that no attention. Let's see. I want
Hold on, let me move this from out the way.
Give us a little couple more minutes to get situated.
Wait.
Let's shake the hell. Yeah.
Right?
You can hold it. Yeah, you can hold her. She looks scared. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.